Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I hope you guys all enjoyed the holidays over the weekend. I kind of kicked off today. Price action, so, right? I mean, we had the end of the day run up. We had, a little bit of a pop off the bell. The better portion and the better half of the day was nothing, right? Like it was really range bound. Really took a long time. One thing that I do want to stress for everyone is just be patient, right? There's no rush. We're coming into another holiday weekend, which is going to be obviously the first. A lot of big money is also cleaning their books. If you guys don't know what cleaning the books means that they're kind of taking profits. They're kind of, locking in positions, holding positions into the new year. Reallocating positions. There's not a whole lot of emphasis to kind of drive the market up, another 1,000 points or really pull the market down. So just be patient. This video, what we're going to be doing is going over the Topstep combine that I'm doing. So today I took a lot of scalps. The price action was very, very slow. I pulled out a couple of tools out of my belt today. Played a little bit of a short position off of a high of day wick, using that high of day wick as a stop, kind of played that into support. Took a little bit of a bounce play on some plays. Also took some 20 SMA plays for very quick scalps. The ranges were not there. I was playing mini contracts today. Again, I focus to, people who are doing prop firms to focus on micros. The only reason why I'm playing mini contracts is I've built up a cushion in this particular account. So it's an evaluation account. If I was to lose, let's say $1,000, I'm still going to be positive, right? Like I've got that padding to kind of play with. So I can get in on some scalps. I can take some quick moves. I can try to, pad this up so I can, hurry along and pass. But again, if I take a losing day, 2 losing days, I'll go all the way back down to micros. I might actually go back down, if the price action gets better. The current balance is $51,943. My low is 50,000, so I haven't taken it into any drawdown yet. My weekly net P&L is $414. That's what I made today. The best day so far that I've had was $892. The worst day that I had was $82 in the profit. My average winning day is $388. I fell below the consistency target, so that's checked off. Now I'd like to keep it that way. What else, right? So we started this on December the 19th. We've got 100% winning days, right? So, I've only had it for a week now, 5 days. Days complete 5. You can see the P&L curve. So a pretty healthy P&L curve here. Again, first day 132, second day 82, third day 420. Then we had a $800 day, and then we had the $400 day again. So today was the $400 day. Again, we're about $1,000 off from passing this. So some of the notes that I want to kind of leave you guys with is this is around the time where traders get up 1,500, they get up 1,000, they get up 2,000. They've got a little bit to go and they're so antsy to pass that they start taking too many trades, start over leveraging because they're trying to pass very quickly. If this takes me another 2 weeks to make $1,000, so be it. If it takes me 3 weeks, so be it. I'm in no rush to pass this because the end goal is to get the funded account. So that way we can slowly grow that and take payouts over time. Even if it takes me 6 months to make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, guys, the initial investment was $50, right? So if I'm able to take out a couple thousand out of this thing in a few months, the return to investment is fantastic, right? I'll work on another account. I'll get another account going, another account, and then over time, you're looking at a big, capital that you have under management. So again, the strategy is to take my setups as I get them, right? Like if I don't get a setup, that's fine. I don't take a trade. I don't want to rush anything. I also don't want to, size too big, right? Like I think the most I've taken this account to is 2 minis or maybe 3 mini contracts. But again, very quick scalps on setups that I normally play on options, normally play on my futures accounts. It's not like I'm just chasing candlesticks. I'm trying to catch the momentum. I'm trying to wait for my setups. I'm trying to do everything the right way. As far as the rules that I set out for myself in the beginning of this challenge, I said, I've broken one rule. And that one rule that I've broken is I did not want to trade mini contracts. But because of the price action and because some of the ranges are so small, you know, there's just no money to be made on the micro side of things. So I have to scale up a little bit to, you know, even make the moves worth it. There was a point in time today where candlesticks were only 6.5 points, 7 points. I mean, that's nothing, right? Like, it's going to take me 100 trades, you know, I'm not just joking, but it's going to take me 100 trades to make any kind of real profit on that. So I had to kind of size up a little bit, take 5 points here, 6 points there, and just try to piece together a day. So just wanted to kind of recap and show you guys where I'm at. Current balance, you know, the P&L is up $1,943 in 5 days. I'm about $1,000 away from passing this $50,000 challenge. Hopefully we can get there within the next couple of weeks. You know, that would be nice, kind of kick off the new year on that funded account. But we'll see. I'll keep continuing to do these updates. I'll see all of you guys on the inside of Evolution Traders. To everyone else, I will see you guys back on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And happy trading.